phrase and know it means someone's about to give away an important part of a show or movie. Like the result of the big battle at the end, or whether the main character ever got reunited with her friend. People get mad when spoilers pop up in conversations or reviews, but thinking about spoilers can help you when you need to summarize a literary text. You want to make sure to include spoilers in those. Here's a method I use when I need to summarize a story or book. I use a statement frame like this. The main characters wanted blank, but blank, so blank, then blank. Then I think about the main characters in the story. What's their problem, or what are they hoping to do? Like, let's say the main characters really want to win a national competition with their band. But the lead singer, the one who has the biggest following, is moving out of state with her family. So what do? Say our characters then decide to let the drummer's cousin audition, even though she's only 13, and it turns out she has an amazing voice. But our story doesn't end there. We need to know if the characters ever got what they wanted. Did they win the talent competition? And what else happened along the way that guided their decisions or changed their luck? For each of these key details, I add a new but, so, or then statement. It helps me keep track of things as they happen. I add as many statements as I need to, in any order, depending on how complex the plot of the story is. When I'm done, I look at everything and take out any detail that's not really key to understanding the story. Like, say one of the characters had a dream that inspires her to write a new song, but maybe she's unsure about it and doesn't share it with the rest of the band. Even if I really liked this part of the story, it's not important to understanding the main events in it, so I'd take it out of my summary. Speaking of understanding what happened, you probably want to know what happened to our band members. Well, even though their rivals tried to trick them into going to the wrong auditorium, they made it at the last minute and won the competition. No matter what story you're trying to summarize, starting with a framework like this can help. Then go through and take out anything that wouldn't be considered a spoiler. It sounds simple, but it works.